Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix iPhone 15 Max or iPhone 15 Pro Max keeps restarting. So guys, many iPhone 15 users are saying that their iPhone 15s are getting restart without any reason. So don't worry, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix this restarting issue. First of all, you have to force restart your iPhone 15. Simply press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button, then tap on your side button and hold it until the Apple logo appears. This will force restart your iPhone and may fix the issue. After this, you have to update your iPhone software. So simply go to your settings, then tap on General, tap on Software Update and check if there are any available update for your iPhone. If there are, install them and update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. After this, you have to reset all settings on your iPhone. Simply go to General again and scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Reset all settings and enter your passcode. This will reset all settings to their default values but won't delete your any personal data. For applying this all solution, you're still facing the same issue and your iPhone 15 is keep restarting, then you have to restore your iPhone. Connect your iPhone to your computer and open iTunes or Finder. Select your iPhone and click Restore iPhone to reset your iPhone to its factory settings. So guys, after applying this all solution, you're still facing the same issue, then you have to contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for further assistance. It may be a hardware issue that needs to be repaired or replaced. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.